Pride is for everyone. Pride is for people who don't know yet. Pride is for people who are allies. Pride is for all of us who felt that oppression at some point in their life to come forth and be out. But it's also for those of us who aren't ready to be out. Pride is for you too.
Well, as we near the end of Pride Month, there's a renewed focus on mental health in the LGBTQ+ community.
Yeah, it's a day-to-day battle against adversity, bullying, and discrimination. It can lead to minority stress, which opens doors to poor mental health, substance use, and even suicide.
In fact, the Trevor Project's 2021 national survey says 42% of LGBTQ+ youth seriously considered attempting suicide just in the past year. I spoke with local members of the LGBTQ+ community on minority stress that they've faced and how they overcame them. Take a listen.
I think anytime you have to hide who you are, your mental health is going to take a nosedive. Hi, my name is Andrea Foster. I live in Saginaw, Michigan, and I'm a member of the LGBTQ+ community identifying as queer. My pronouns are she, her, hers. Growing up in churches or any sort of religion that doesn't condone homosexuality, it can be really tough when you know there's a part inside of you that is.
It's a reality Andrea Foster and members of the LGBTQ+ community face, reluctant to be visible.
Growing up, I think my mom was really terrified that I would be gay. I was already a really depressed and anxious teen, and I am positive that a small part of it was just not feeling accepted.
Those feelings embody minority stress, meaning those in the minority face health disparities brought on by unaccepting or hostile surroundings.
You get stared at and glared at, and it can be really frustrating, and I will say that absolutely affected my mental health.
I took a job actually overseas in South Korea as an English teacher, but I remember when I was over there, there was always the concern that, okay, I could lose my job.
Hi, my name is Antoine Martin. I live in Flint, Michigan, and I identify as gay, and my pronouns are he, him, and his.
For the first 5 or 6 months, I didn't say a thing. But I remember how challenging it was to kind of navigate work.
It was taxing at times.
Kind of psychological stress with that because I felt like I had to come up with stories. My coworkers are pressuring me, they want to hang out with me, but I feel like I'm having to hide.
It can feel isolating. That's why nonprofits like Great Lakes Bay Pride exist.
I grew up with bullying in school, and again, that comes from miseducation. Hi, my name is Scott Ellis. I'm from Bay City, Michigan. I identify as gay, and my pronouns are he, him, his. Great Lakes Bay Pride really strives to serve as a connecting hub to LGBTQ+ programs and services throughout our 4-county primary service area.
Education is crucial, and they say visibility and speaking up also allowed them to live out and proud.
Just be optimistic, keep being you.
I absolutely believe that when I came out, it helped me find a much more clear path and purpose, and that's really just to help educate others.